Welcome back to my channel. So for this week's video, I am sharing with you my DIY coffee tray. Now, I've seen these coffee trays all over Etsy, Pinterest. Everybody seems to have them and displays either coffee items or redone items on them. And yeah, I was super inspired to make one of my own. As always, I will link all of the supplies that I use down in the description. Anyway, without further ado, let's get into the video. So starting out, I took this board that I got from Michael's. They sell these boards pre-made, so it's just nice and finished. Then I took these legs that I also found at Michael's, and I'm going to attach them with E6000 glue. This stuff really holds. Now excuse this bad angle, guys. I had a second top-down camera that decided to just mess up on me.
Don't fail me again.
And I'm missing footage. So it starts here at the last one, of course, but I hope you can see that I just glued the legs to the wood top. Now after letting the glue set, I took some watered down chalk paint just to make it a little bit thinner, and I painted it all. I ended up just doing one coat. I did one coat of the top and the legs, and then I also painted the underside. It isn't necessary, but I just wanted everything to be cohesive. Once all the paint was dry, I went ahead and distressed it with some sandpaper. I used 80 grit and 120 grit. Once it was distressed, I just sealed it up with my polyacrylic. And this is what it looks like all finished. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys like it. I am really loving both versions of the serving trays that I made. I really love how it turned out. I think it's the perfect farmhousey touch to my kitchen that I was craving, and it was super easy to make. I should mention that if you're going to be bumping it, or if it has the possibility of getting knocked over by pets or kids or husbands, you might want to put a nail into each of the legs. For me, it wasn't really a big deal. The glue is a really strong hold, so I'm not too worried about it. Plus, if one of the legs comes off, I can always reattach it. But if you have a nailer, use it. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys. I hope you guys all have amazing weeks, and I will see you guys in the next video. As always, bye guys!